Hello and welcome to Positive Life Principles. I'm Carol Ladd. I hope you're having a wonderful holiday season. And if you're stumped on some Christmas gifts to buy for people who seem to have everything, I want to encourage you to do what I did. I went to Gospel for Asia's website. It's gfa.org. And I bought gifts for missionaries and for people in need in Asia. And it's so much fun. I love doing this every year. In fact, my sister and I have decided between our families that we would, instead of giving all these little gifts that we don't need, we decided that between our families we would give gifts that count, gifts that give to somebody else in need. So I always go to gfa.org and I buy fun things in honor of my sister's family. For instance, I buy chickens for my nieces, and it's such a wonderful way. Those eggs continue to provide for families for a long period of time. I buy lambs for in honor of my sister and brother-in-law for families in need in Asia. Every year I ask from my husband, I ask him to give me a bicycle. Of course, it's not a bicycle for me. It's a bicycle for a missionary in Asia who this bicycle provides transportation for her to get all over to the different places, different villages that she's going to. It's a wonderful gift, and I know it's a lasting gift. So I'm so thankful for the opportunity to give gifts that have meaning and purpose and that will really make a difference in the lives of others. So I encourage you to go to gfa.org. Gospel for Asia is a ministry that I can believe in, that I know does a great work. I've been to their headquarters here in Dallas. I've also been to India with Gospel for Asia to see their ministry firsthand and to see how they touch lives. I can tell you from my own personal experience that this is a ministry that is making a difference. So go to gfa.org and make a difference in the lives of people in Asia and in the missionaries there in Asia. I hope that you have a wonderful holiday season, a holiday of giving. And I look forward to seeing you next week here at Positive Life Principles.